Hello. Nice to meet you.
Hello, nice to meet you too.
My name is Anna. I am new here.
Welcome, Anna. My name is Lisa.
Thank you. This is a nice place.
Yes, it is. I like living here.
Are you moving in today?
Yes, I moved here yesterday.
How is your new home?
It is small, but comfortable.
That's good. Comfort is important.
Yes, I think so too.
Where are you from, Anna?
I am from another city. It is far from here.
Do you like this area so far?
Yes, it feels quiet and friendly.
I'm happy to hear that.
What do you do for work?
I am a lawyer. I work in an office.
Oh, that's interesting.
What about you?
I am a teacher. I teach English.
That's wonderful.
Do you work every day?
Yes, I work Monday to Friday.
I see. I work at a school nearby.
That is convenient.
Yes, it is very close to my home.
Are the neighbors friendly?
Yes, they are very kind.
That makes me feel better.
We also have a small park.
Really? That sounds nice.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I do.
There is a cafe near here.
I would like to visit it.
It's a good place to relax.
Maybe we can go together sometime.
That's a great idea.
I want to know the area better.
I can show you around.
Thank you. That's very kind.
Moving to a new place can be hard.
Yes, but meeting you helps a lot.
I'm glad to hear that.
I feel more comfortable now.
Welcome to the neighborhood, Anna.
Thank you, Lisa.
See you again soon.
Yes, see you soon.